Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a retwist on my daughter's daughter locks, just using one product. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to start off by washing her hair. Of course, we're using the Melanin Haircare African Soap Shampoo. And this is this is pretty much what our wash day consists of. So before I retwist her, I always start off with a fresh hair wash so her scalp is nice and clean when I start twisting. So this is what her hair looks like after the wash. Just wanted to show you guys a quick texture shot, show you guys what we're working with. And just for your information, she's been locked since August. That's when we did her twist. We started her locks with 2-strand twists. So this is where she's at now. Her hair is growing a lot. So I try to keep her retwists. I try to do them every couple months just to avoid any tangling at her roots or any breakage or anything like that. So I'm going to use the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Blend Oil, and this is what I use to twist down her locks. I just kind of put it on her scalp and at the base of each section, and then I just comb it through her hair, kind of make her parts a little neater, separate hair, any loose hair, and then I just twist down with my hands. I don't palm roll or anything like that, and I also don't do the loop method. I clip her hair down because this is what works best for us and works best for her hair. And while we're on the subject of what's best, let me just put it out there that I am not a professional loctician. I do this because this is a way for me to bond with my daughter. So what I do with her hair is just what I found that works best for her hair. We've tried lock gels and stuff like that, but it doesn't seem to hold as well. So the oil, though, because it's so moisturizing and it's not heavy, tends to work better for her, and her hair is more receptive to it. So even when her hair is dry, the twist is still intact once I take the clips out. So again, I'm not a professional. This is what we do because this works best for us. So if you're a loctician or you have locks yourself and you do something different, that's great. But this is what works best for us right now.
Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
And this is what we have after we're done. So by this time she's sick about it. She's sick of me in this camera. But this is what her hair looks like after we're all done before we style it. So this isn't normally how she wears it, but just wanted to show you guys usually what it looks like after we're done and give you guys a little shot of her locks in general. I don't know how many locks she has. Maybe next video we do, I'll count them and let you guys know how many she has. But she's coming along nicely. Her locks are looking beautiful. They're getting longer, like I said. And she's loving the lock life because I don't have to comb her hair anymore. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, you learned something, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.